about to show you because it's a big mess. A biggest mess that you ever seen in your life. This linen closet. Oh my God. I think I fixed it last time when I don't remember. I think it was what? September or October. And I just be like, can you guys give me a towel? My bedroom is downstairs, so I'll be like, can you guys give me a towel up there? Can you guys give me this? I'll come and get the linen to change my bed. But I never really sit and fix it. So today is the day we're gonna change everything and we'll do it together. But what you are about to see, I don't think you ever see anything like that actually in my house. I don't know if you saw it somewhere, but in my house it never happened. So look at that. This is horrible. I don't know where the towels are. I don't know where the linen are. I don't know where the blankets are. Everything is just a mixed match of everything. That's why we don't have to send the kid all the time. We need to go check. Don't just be like, can I have this? Can I have that? It's actually the result of it. Anyway, let's clean it. The best way to know what I have to do in here is to take everything out. So first, everything has to get out. So I'll take everything out. It will give me a better idea to organize this closet so this mess don't happen again. So it doesn't happen again. So it will be clear, easy to pick what you want and put down what you're supposed to put down. So I figured out that the best way is to take everything out, clean the closet, and organize it better. Let's do it together. So everything is out. Okay, I left that at the bottom. There is an air mattress. Maybe I will get it out and figure out what to do with it, but for now I left it there. But everything is pretty much empty. That felt refreshing, like I can just leave it like this. But we need to put all this thing in here. So what I will do first is separate everything. Look at everything that was in there and look how it looks. So I have to separate them and start to try to fix them in there. I wanted to show you this. I found this on YouTube here, a hack how to have all your linen together. So you fold them out and take one pillowcase, put everything inside so you can keep them like that. So when I will pick them up, I know that, yes, this is the whole bed. I found it very helpful. That's why I decided to do, like, let me just fold all this. It's true, it doesn't look um aesthetic or anything, but it's practical, so I can use it easily like this. I just can drop one, put on my bed and steam it, and it look perfect. So for me, I found it very helpful, and I hope it help you too, to keep everything together. Then you know what is inside. So I decided to use that. I hope you. This is the result. At the bottom here, I use this basket, laundry basket, to put the blankets we don't use. Here, these are the messiest thing I find out. The decorative pillow and the hand towel. So I use a basket, this basket, to put them in. And I put all my decorative blanket on a side. These are my beach towels, our everyday towels, and the linen on top, bed sheet and everything on top. And I found it very, very much better to manipulate and get everything. Thank you for watching. If this content has motivated you to clean up your closet you have been looking and be like, I'll do it later, don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe if it's the first time you are stopping here. And I'll say God bless you. See you next time.